Would you like to know how to make your very own tiny little wool teddy bear that is the toy of a slightly less tiny possum, felted possum? Good, because I'm showing you how. We're going to start with uncolored or all natural wool, and we're going to make two balls, and we're going to attach them together. And we're going to cover that in brown wool by just stabbing over. I'm not showing you all of that because it's hours, guys. You got to be ready to stab this stuff for hours, and your elbows will probably hurt. So I don't know how anybody's making a living off this, but I'm not describing what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I made a brown ball, and that was the tail. I attached that to the booty. Then I made a tan ball, and you guessed it, that was the snout. And then I made a black ball, and I bet you couldn't guess that that was the nose. So a lot of that, a lot of just making shapes and then attaching it. But here we're going to start with the arms. We're going to do natural noodles. Are those noodles? I don't know. That shape, long oval. And then you can cut them in half. And the reason for that is you don't want the inside of that to be too big because you still have to cover the whole thing in brown wool. Then two of them, we're going to add little feetsies. We're going to take brown balls, just like we did before, attach it to the end of the legs. Then we're going to make tan ovals and attach it to all four of the limbs. And then the ears are the same thing. We got an oval, brown oval, tan oval. I don't know that my voiceovers on directions really help you. Because like, that doesn't, you can see it. Like if you're blind and you're watching videos, I'm impressed. And I'm sorry, my content is terrible for you. But in the sense that maybe you're watching videos because you can see. I don't know that my descriptions help that much. But here, I tied a knot in the end of the thread. I could tell you that. That's what's great about wool is like the thread knots do not go through. So only put your thread through your legs and arms once. Otherwise, it'll be too strong and they won't bend easily. And then I hide the end of the thread by once I've added the second limb that's across from it. I don't go back through the first one. I go in between the little hole, wrap the leg or arm twice, and then go back through, and that creates a permanent knot. See, that was probably helpful. Now we're going to snip the thread and then add the eyeballs same way. I don't remember how I hid the knot. I would not wrap your second eyeball twice. Then you have like a bug eye on your teddy. So I think I just like went back and forth with my thread, and that kind of like locks it in place because you'd have to really tug on it to get it to let go. But I'm not 100% sure. So I'm sorry. I probably just hid a knot somewhere, knowing how we do it. We got to make two because I got two kids, two possums, you know? But look, they're super functional and they can sit up. Oh my gosh.